The Nexus navigation bar. It's more than just a menu, it's your hub. Find everything fast, save favorites, set quick links, and even access help, all in one place. Accessing ProWorkflow centers around the navigation bar. It can be expanded to reveal the menu. Here, destinations are clearly labeled for simple access. Clicking on them takes the user to the corresponding page. The tabs can be expanded to show more options. Clicking on the ellipses also reveals the deleted tab. Have a project you need to stay on top of? Why not favorite it? The same can be done for your items. Reports can also be favorited if needed. All of these show on the Favorites tab in the navigation bar. You can click on them to go into the corresponding options. Save important links, whether it is to your internal account or for an external page. The saved links can be found in the Quick Links tab. Click on them to navigate to those pages. One of the fundamental functions of the navigation bar is the Add button. There are two options, the Add button that appears with each corresponding tab, or the plus button at the top, from where all new things can be added. At the bottom of the navigation bar, there is the Help function. Here, the support and the help articles can be accessed. Our support has been praised by many customers, so feel free to get in touch. The menu also guides to the account setup, where there are steps outlined to best start your account. Nexus navigation, everything you need at your fingertips.